Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to use the Collab feature on your Instagram. First of all, open your Instagram application on your device and then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile menu. After jumping to the profile, select the plus icon in the upper right corner and there you will see multiple options. I will select the post option to invite collabs to my post. Select any picture or video from your gallery to upload as a post and then press next. Again press next to proceed forward. Now as you can see there is an option, tag peoples. Just tap on this option. Here you should see the option, invite collabs, and tap on this option. In the search box, you can search for any celebrity or blogger you want to collaborate with. Note that when you invite someone for collaboration, it is necessary for them to accept your invite so that your post will get a collaboration. Once you are done with all these steps, just press the share button to share this post with your followers. That's it for today's tutorial, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.